Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with this get ready with me for Durga Puja. Today I'm sharing my Saptami look with you guys and this is what I'm going to wear for my makeup. Actually, I got inspiration from this earring itself. I just love the way it looks. It's so colorful and so elegant and gorgeous at the same time. So this is what I'm going to wear for the Saptami look. The outfit which I'm going to wear for my Saptami, it's still not with me. It's still at the tailor's place, so I have to just go and collect it. But I couldn't wait to share this look with you guys. So here it is. This is the makeup look and my dress is quite simple. It's a white color dress, but this is the makeup and I thought of keeping it really colorful just because the earrings are so colorful, and I hope you guys will surely love this, enjoy this video. And even if you're creating this look, don't forget to tag me in your pictures and don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. Everything is there in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So first for the primer, I'll be going with this L'Oreal Base Magique and I'll be applying this on my T-zone area and blend it out. Now for my foundation, I'll be going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and I'm going to dab this all over my face and I'm in the shade Warm Beige. And now for the concealer, I'll be going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'll be going with this on the areas I like to highlight and conceal. And again, I'm going to blend this out with the same beauty sponge. And now to contour my face, I'll be going with the other shade of LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is in the shade Toast. And again, I'll be going with this on the areas I normally contour. And now again, I'm going to blend this out. And now to set my face, I'll be going with this shade right here from the Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And now to set the contour area, I'll be going with this shade right here from the same palette. So my base is all done. I'm just left with the blusher and the highlighter and I'm going to fill in my brows now. But I'll do that off the camera. But if you wish to check out my eyebrow routine, you can just check out this eye right here. You'll reach my eyebrow routine. But yeah, I'll just fill in my brows and be back. So I'm done with filling in my brows. Now I'm moving on to my eyes. For my transition shade, I'll be going with this shade from Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blush Palette. And I'll be going with this on the crease area as my transition shade. And now I'll be going with this shade right here from the same palette on the outer V area. And whatever is remaining, I'm just applying this all over my lids. And for the inner corners, I'm going with this shade right here. And this is the PAC Cosmetics Matte Eyeshadow Palette in the number 2. And I'm going to drag this till the mid of my eyes. And this is going to look like a soft cut crease. And now to tightline and waterline my eyes, I'm going with this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And now I'll be going with this Miss Claire Pearl Glitters and this is in the shade 16. And I'm going to apply this on the area I have applied the Rose Gold shade. And now for the liner, I'm going with this Black Magic Liquid Liner from Nykaa. And I'm going to draw a classic wing. the lower lash line, again I'm going with these warm shades and smoking the kajal out. And now I'll be going with these two shades from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line again with these colors. And now again I'm going with this golden glitter, and I'm just going to draw a line underneath my wing. And now to finish off my eyes, I'm going with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'll go with this on the top and even on the bottom lashes. So guys, I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm moving on to my blusher, and for that I'm going with this shade right here from Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blusher Palette. And this is a very beautiful peachish pink shade, and I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for the highlighter, I'm going with this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my face. And for the lipstick, I'm going with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Morocco. This is a very beautiful tangerine orange color, and just because I have this color on my earring, I just want to go with this. So guys, there you go. This was the get ready with me for Durga Puja 2018, and this was what I'm going to wear for my Saptami. There is 2 more videos I'm going to come up with, a Ashtami look and even a Navami look. So even I'm planning for this vlog. I have 50-50 chances of vlogging for this Durga Puja. Let me know if you guys want me to vlog, because last time everything was planned. As you have seen, all the videos went up early. I did pre-Durga Puja vlog. Even I have done the whole Durga Puja vlog. But this time I'm not really prepared with everything. So even you're watching all these videos in the last minute, what I'm exactly going to wear and all. So if you want me to vlog, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll surely get back to you guys if I really vlog. And that's it for this look. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with my next videos. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, happy Durga Puja to everyone. Stay blessed. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.